Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Look no further. You have finally found your investment home. Located in the lovely, cool community of Battersea, Ingleside, Mandeville, lies this private 7-bedroom, 6 bathrooms, and 2 powder rooms house. Other features of this house includes a beautiful staircase, modern and spacious kitchen, tall ceilings, and large windows. This house is approximately 8 minutes from Mandeville town. This beautiful home has ample space for expansion and entertainment and is ideal for a family or can be used as an income earner. The land area of this house is approximately 10,352 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 70 million or US $454.8 thousand to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.